Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that Wi-Fi and cellular bars not appearing in iPhone home screen. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Reboot your iPhone. For that, launch Settings app on your iPhone. Next, find and tap on General. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Solution 2. Reset network settings. This process resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, launch Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo appears. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.